Hi, book friends. Are you getting ready for bed? Because this is a bedtime story. It's called Sleepy Sounds, and it's a Dr. Seuss book. So it's a silly rhyming story about all sorts of sounds that we make before going to bed. Well, here we go. A very small bug by the name of Van Vleck is yawning so wide you can look down his neck. Oh, there he goes. A yawn is quite catching, you see, like a cough. It just takes one yawn to start other yawns off. At this moment right now, under 7 more noses, great yawns are in blossom. They're blooming like roses. Sleep thoughts are spreading throughout the whole land. The time for night brushing of teeth is at hand. The number of sleepers is steadily growing. Bed is where more and more people are going. Counting up sleepers? Just how do we do it? Really quite simple. There's nothing much to it. We find out how many. We learn the amount by an audio tally-o count. Way out in the west, in the town of Merced, the Hinklehorn Honking Club just went to bed. And though they are sleeping, not playing, it seems the Hinklehorn Honkers still honk in their dreams. A Mr. and Mrs. J. Carmichael Crocs have just gone to bed near the town of Fort Knox. They have an alarm clock with quite a slick trick. It doesn't tick-tock. How it goes is tock-tick. The Chippendale Mupp does not have such a clock. The way he wakes up may come as a shock. Ouch! He bites his long tail, but won't feel any pain, till the nip makes the trip and gets up to his brain. Ouch! You see his tail? Whoa, whoa, it's so long, and finally... Ouch! That's so funny. The world champion sleep talkers, Joe and Mo Redzoff, have just gone to sleep and they're talking their heads off. We have 2 more sleepers, a moose and a goose. They must have been thirsty. They're dreaming of juice. Moose juice, not goose juice, is juice for a moose. And goose juice, not moose juice, is juice for a goose. Speaking of dreaming, I think you should note that the Bumbletub Club is now dreaming afloat. Now 99 zillion, 9 trillion and 2 creatures are sleeping so. How about you? And that's the end of this silly bedtime book, Sleepy Sounds. Yay! I loved all the silly sounds. Do you have a favorite one? I think that mine has to be the... Ouch! Oh yeah, let's find that. Oh, there it is. Ouch! I love how this little, what is it, a Chippendale mop, bites on his tail but doesn't get the message. Whoa, because look, the tail is so long. But that, oh yeah, that's a winner sound right there. And I also like the talking one, which is this one. They're talking in their sleep. And I really like the music at the end. Well, I hope you're tucked in and you're comfy and warm. Good night, book friends.